Hi! In this video, we're going to show you an overview of how Droom's AI-based self-inspection can easily be carried out using any smartphone with a camera. So this is the video that we are going to use to upload. It's a 30 to 45 second 360-degree video that is taken of the vehicle. The user needs to keep a fixed distance and do a slow walk around so the system can capture each aspect of the vehicle's exterior body. Once this is complete, the video is uploaded into our application. This will take a couple of seconds. Once it's uploaded, the system processes all the exterior images of the vehicle and puts that into the self-inspection report that Droom provides. So as you see, within the report, we see different aspects of the vehicle: the back view, the left side view, aspects of the engine, front bumper, headlight, car doors, etc. All of the parts, the wheels, the lights are all captured, and damage on any of these parts is assessed. This is an overview of how the input is processed for Droom's AI-based self-inspection. Thank you.